Hello everyone, I am here at the boiler exhibition. Thanks to Machine Maker, I was introduced to this exhibition, and this is an amazing experience for me. I never expected in one location so many large companies, including the smaller startups who are supplying to the boiler industry. I've had the opportunity of meeting several of these startups as well as some large companies, and I've introduced our product EaglAI, which is basically an AI-driven vision defect detection system, and there was so much interest and basically people don't know what is there in and the tools available for automating quality, and this is where these kind of exhibitions and Machine Maker comes in. Bringing all this together is a fantastic platform. So guys, do get connected to Machine Maker. Thank you.